Hello everyone! So today we will discuss the first few levels of biological organization so that we can begin to understand the characteristics of life. So the first few levels of biological organization consist of cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, and organisms. The first level of organization is the cell. The cell is the smallest, most basic unit of life, and it carries out various life-sustaining processes. There are many differentiated types of cells that have various responsibilities in maintaining homeostasis, such as nerve cells, which can take in sensory information and send out a response to external stimuli, such as our flight or fight response to danger. When multiple cells come together, you get a tissue. A tissue is a grouping of cells that all serve a specific purpose and are all structurally similar. Multicellular organisms have many different types of tissues made of groupings of specialized cells throughout their bodies. One example of tissue is adipose, or fat tissue. This serves as insulation and energy reserves for the body. When a group of tissues all come together to serve a larger bodily function, you get our next level of organization, organ. Organs are multiple layers of highly specialized tissues with a collective job to perform a certain function, such as how the heart is a group of specialized muscle tissue that is responsible for pumping blood out into the body, or the kidney, which is tasked with concentrating and filtering urine. So then, a group of organs that all work together to complete a bodily process or function is called an organ system. An organ system is a set of organs that complete an overall related process, such as the digestive system. The digestive system exists to intake food, break it down into energy for our bodies to use, and then separate out waste product that the body cannot use. When multiple organ systems come together, this creates an organism. An organism consists of each of these previous levels of organization, from cells to organ systems, that all work together as a whole to support the life of an organism. There must be some characteristics that determine what is considered alive then, right? Let's take a look.
Imagine you are taking a walk on a trail through the park. Trees and flowers surround the rocky pathway. Birds chirp from nearby branches. Clouds float overhead, and a creek babbles nearby. Some of these things are living, and some are clearly not living. But where do we draw the line between living and non-living things? How do biologists specifically define life? Living things all share 7 distinct characteristics. They grow and develop, they are able to reproduce, they respond to their environment, they use energy, they maintain homeostasis, they have cellular organization, and they are able to adapt, evolve, and pass on their genetic information in the form of DNA.